Of course, as with unsuccessful sign-up, we don't want to have to submit things by hand every time to test that things are working. So let's write a test for valid submission over here. Our user sign-up test. It's going to be pretty much the same as this in principle. We don't really need this line here, but I like to put it in again. So let's put in a test. Actually, we can just copy this thing wholesale, can't we? So let's test valid sign-up information. So now instead of this assert no difference, we're actually going to assert that there is a difference of 1. So the way that works is we go here and say assert difference. Instead of user.count, we say user.count and then give it the actual count we expect, the change of 1 in this case. And then I'm going to put in a valid name. Let's do example user. User at example.com. And let's do just password of password. And now in this case, this post will actually work. This will, in fact, let's run this test. Comment this out. So this is now posting to the user's path. But what I really like to do at this point is assert that the template is user's show. And you think, well, that'll work, right? But it won't. And the reason is because this post doesn't follow the redirect. We can actually do this. Follow redirect bang will follow the redirect inside the test. So this now works. But there's a way to combine these together. Post via redirect, and it's a little more compact. Get rid of that space there, line things up. And now what this is doing is getting the sign-up path. Again, this is just a sanity check. The truth is we're already testing it here, but I like the idea that the integration test is a simulation of what we would actually do in the browser, which is to say go to the sign-up path, and then this is the post, this is clicking on the link, and then we say, okay, it should show the user show page. Now, a lot of things have to go right for this assert template to work. So this is quite a sensitive test of the profile page. It's not testing the details of the profile page, but it's testing that the profile page is working. And it's for reasons like that that integration tests are so useful. I just noticed a minor formatting issue. This is not going to affect the execution of the code or anything, but I lined these up wrong in terms of the normal convention I use. I really like these keys to be lined up vertically so you can see the structure. And actually notice this too. You can line up these values. This is just a minor detail, but I think it's really nice to have the code formatted this way because it's easier just to see at a glance what the structure of the code is when it's lined up nicely. So this will revert in just a moment. You'll see there's a little continuity error, but this is the formatting I recommend. So this is the end of the basic user signup. We actually did it. We've got a new user in our database, our development database, that is. And so to me, this is really the beginning of the real magic of web development. We are now rendering a page using dynamic data submitted through a form on the web. And in the subsequent lessons, we're going to build on this foundation to make the rest of the sample app.